Nexgen Ceramic Spray is the product that I'm going to be using in this video. This product claims to have 13% silicon dioxide, or SiO2, in it. It also claims that that concentration of SiO2 is much higher than any other product that you can buy on the market, as well as the fact that it may be the fastest ceramic coating spray to apply on the market is another claim. I don't know that either one of these things is true. I will tell you that the slickness test right here is true, and that if you put this on your panel and then you slip off your tire, you will also lose the bottle sliding off the car, as I did right there. But that was actually a good thing. It was a little test that I didn't intentionally run, but was pleased to see that the bottle held up very nicely. I was certain that the bottle would be broken or leaking and just be unusable after it fell from the vehicle there. But that is another thing they talk about on their website, and that is that they did make the bottle very durable. I guess they had the slickness test in mind, and they knew that thing would be hitting the deck on several occasions, potentially. So right here, you can see me putting it on the hood. And the hood, the car is actually at a little bit of a downhill angle, but you can see, it does not want to slide on that side of the hood. It wants to just tip over. On this side, it just wants to slide around all day long. So definitely very, very slick. A couple days later, I washed the car. Did not use any soap, did not use any wash mitt. I just went over it with hose water just to see how self-cleaning, how its capabilities of doing that were, and I was very impressed. There was a couple small spots that did not come off with the hose, but I could have just taken my fingernail and scraped them off. It's not these spots here. These spots are all going to come off just fine. Those were like on the front of the car where there might have been like a little bug, that got embedded in there that got baked in with the sun because it had sat in the direct sun in 90-degree weather for a couple days. So if you don't know what SiO2 or silicon dioxide is, it is a natural substance found throughout the earth. They use it to make glass. It's very, very hard. It has, it can withstand massive amounts of heat. I want to say its melting point is over 1400 degrees. So the UV protection that it offers and the hydrophobic abilities and the non-stick abilities, of course, you use it on a lot of your cookware. The non-stick pans you probably use they're ceramic coated, and we're doing the same thing here with these cars. So you can only imagine that the stuff really prevents and repels dirt and water from getting on your actual clear coat and embedding itself into your paint. This video is for anybody who's seen the Nexgen ads maybe on Instagram. I know I did for several times, probably several months before I actually decided to try the product out. I will say that I am extremely pleased with this product. It is so easy to apply. A little tiny bit goes such a long ways. I would say one 8-ounce bottle could get me through 4, 5, maybe even 6 vehicles. I would honestly dare say that I could coat 6 vehicles this size with one 8-ounce bottle of this product, putting it on every single surface. So I am impressed. Hope this video helped somebody maybe thinking about getting Nexgen and trying it out for themselves. It is definitely worth the buy. You can get it for 40% off all day long. There is a link below in the description. It is a non-affiliate link. I am not getting paid for any of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.